I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off your notifications here on YouTube from your desktop. First thing what you want to do is log on to YouTube. And once you log on, you want to go up here to the right. You see this little bell notification, and there's a few ways you can do it, but this is the easiest way. Click on it and click right here on this star here, and you go to the left. You see the notifications. So then you can scroll down and you can uncheck or check these, so you could turn off. Say for instance, I click this, that'll turn off the replies to my comments. And this is where you change everything up at right here if you need to turn on or off notifications. And if you don't want to receive no emails, you could put this got push and emails, so you could put email only or push only or none, so you won't get any emails telling you about notifications or subscriptions. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you and have a great day.